Yo, what's good? That's extra. And your boy looking a little bigger in the gym, boy. Starting this trip to Thrift at a Goodwill. Let's go. I got this vintage Tommy Hilfiger, size small. Stripe. Yo, this Georgetown Hoyas crew neck is so fire. Look at the colorway, man. And it's striped. For sure picking this up. Oh my god, look at these bootleg Supreme joggers. Or short, like, joggers. What the heck, dude? Found this vintage Mickey crew neck. See it right there? Made in USA, size XL. Asking for $5. Scoop! Yo. These are bootleg, but I'm for sure cop. Some Versace joggers. Add to the collection. Yo, they actually fit. Cool, boy. A bootleg fire. Oh, listen. Just found this Hilfiger athletic size medium, $20. Probably gonna scoop this. Found this vintage tie-dye tee, made in USA. See the single stitch? I'm probably gonna cop and drop a screen print of a Nike logo just like right there, like with the iron-ons that I have. I feel like it would look pretty dope, so I'm probably gonna scoop this up. Dude, look at this Guess piece that I just found. It's actually a laptop case. I don't think it's real. I think this is bootleg because the tag on the inside doesn't even say Guess. And this just says laptop case. Probably gonna pick this up for the MacBook. Fire. Oh, I found this vintage Alcatel tee for like the cell phones. Vintage Hershey's crew neck. For sure picking this up from the 1990s. This H.P. Hewlett Packard tee. This one right here is just a random. Don't let your plant design problems tie your knots. And then this vintage LMU crew neck. We'll see. Yo, this Adidas Tracksuit, low-key kind of fire. Look at the stripes on the side. If you look closely, it says stripes. It's like all the way down the arm. It's actually not bad. And then on the bottom too, on the matching pants. Same thing. Yeah, coppers. Size medium. We'll see. Cozy. Vintage track auto tee. Probably gonna scoop this $3. Yo, what's good, guys? So I actually got this package. I was excited to open it, but I had to wait like a whole day because I didn't have time to unbox it. A little ghetto. We're using tweezers right now. I don't have a knife on me. But this company hit me up. It's called Menlo House. They run like 5'4", Grand AC. What else was there? There's a couple other brands. You'll see it right now. But they hit me up. They told me if I wanted to order some.
Are those my tweezers?
What?
Are those my tweezers?
What?
Those are my tweezers!
Yeah. They didn't have me order stuff. They had just had me choose some items for them to send to me if they had it in my size. So hopefully they had a good amount of it. The box is pretty big, as you can see. You already know I ordered the cozy stuff, or the most cozy stuff that I saw. So we'll see what items they actually had. Okay, there's not as many as I... What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, so I've got some clothing items right here, and then a box. I think that's the slides that I ordered. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna open it up. I got everything in like a size large. Okay. Oh yeah, this is just the right size. I was about to order a medium, but I didn't want it to be too small, so I just went a little bigger instead. But this is from the brand Grand AC. I'll leave a link down below from their Instagram. This is, yeah, size large. You see the stripe going across, and it's got the zip right here. It's got kind of like a tech fleece feel to it, and it's got a tech fleece look as well. Pretty fire. You know your boy gotta stay cozy in the winter. Yes! This is one item. This is one item that I really actually wanted. Very simple pair of shorts. Sorry. It's from the same brand, Grand AC. You can see it right here in the back, like under the mesh material. But it's a pair of black shorts. It's kind of like the off-white ones, the off-white soccer shorts. It has like the tights hanging down right here. So super simple pair. I cannot wait to wear these. It's gonna go with everything. Wow, they actually came in clutch. These are the two shorts that I really wanted from what I actually ordered. It's another pair, Grande AC again. What size are these? Large as well? Oh, medium. I ordered medium in the shorts. You see the tag right here again, Grande AC. I like this. It's like a rubber tag, so it won't really rip. But yeah, you can see right here, it's kind of like a khaki and then like a brownish, like two different shades of brown, but very fire. Cannot wait to wear these shorts. These are gonna come in clutch with the oversized tee. Okay, now there's two boxes in here. This one is kind of heavy. Pair of shoes, size 11. Oh wow. I actually didn't order a pair of shoes, but let's see what they look like. Actually, let's just open them now. I actually ordered a pair of slides, but I guess they didn't have my size, so they gave me shoes instead. See what they looking like. Okay. Oh, these are actually pretty clean. This is by New Republic by Mark Maneri. Got the little tissue. But yeah, right there, it's a plain white pair of shoes. These are actually pretty clean. This is actually a very nice pair of shoes. I actually like how it has no name on it whatsoever. It's literally just a plain white pair of kicks. This looks like a low-key designer pair of shoes. Very fire. Probably wear these size 11. I'm gonna have to try them on and see if they fit. But yeah, size 11. Let's see the other pair. The other pair's right here, still in the plastic. Fire. Okay, so this is the last package right here. I think I know what these are. I did ask for a pair of sunglasses. This might be this is a pretty big box for. It's just shiny. Oh, for those of you wondering if me and the boo boo are still together, she's holding the camera right now, so we good.
Hi.
Okay, extra shiny. Damn, this case is. Okay, this case is a little excessive. I'm not gonna lie for a pair of sunglasses. It looks like a wallet, but it's fine. Okay, it's got a wipe. Here are the shades right here. Oh, these are actually kind of hard. I had to go with the pink, you already know. Let me take off my glasses. I can't even see without these, but y'all tell me if they look fire. They match the hat too, a little bit. They look cool? Yeah, no, yeah, comment down below. I don't really know. You gotta tell me how it goes, see how it looks on my face. Whoa. Shout out once again to them. I'll leave all their information down below. They gave me a good amount of items. I sent them like 11 pieces that I actually wanted. But to be honest, these are the two pieces that I'm most hyped about, the shorts. But the black ones are probably the ones that I'm super hyped about. They're super simple. I really like these. And these. I wish I got the full tracksuit. They had the pants for these. I was hoping for a full tracksuit, like at least one. They had like a lot of colors, but this is still fire, so. Thank you! Oh, it drove a little bit. Back to the thrift. Peace! We got this vintage reversible Nautica like puffer in a size large. See right there. And they're Nautica competition on the arm. I wish I had something on the back. It's pretty plain. And I got this Canon track jacket. Pretty cool pieces. Not sure if I'm gonna pick up either though, because Nautica doesn't really do too well. Dude, look at this. Vintage nutmeg. Look how great. Look how great the condition of the embroidery is. See right there, nutmeg, and then it actually has the Eastern Conference patch right there, which I think is so dope. But the back is alright, you know what I'm saying? Like, this has a big Chicago Bulls on the back. Oh my god, look at that. That is so fire. The condition's actually really, really good. I feel like it's just like never been worn, just doesn't have the tag. I got this Tommy piece right here, but I'm probably gonna pass. The tags 15? No way. I haven't came across this brand in a while, but you see right there, Marcelo Berlan. It's like a designer tee. See the tag right there, Marcelo Berlan. They even know because they're asking for $9. And the back's just got a big 9876 cop. Look at this Supreme LV box logo. $12.99. The tag looks almost alright. Let's see if it has the inside. There's a tag on the inside. There you go. Yo, look at these fire vintage Guess sunglasses. It's kind of in the vibe of what's in style right now. I don't know if you can see it. Hold up. That's gonna be way too hard to clear up. But they are Guess. It says Guess on the side. Probably gonna cop these for sure. For sure picking this up for round 2. It says Virginia all over. Virginia for lovers. Just a vintage crew neck in the white. And then I found this right here. It's a vintage Guess. Classic sportswear made in China. Guess Classics USA. I cop this to wear. Maybe. We'll see. Champion shorts. It's got the slit in the back. The homie's back. Got the slit in the back right here. Pretty crazy to come across this. And then I found some other stuff right here, but I'll show you guys in the car. I got the 3's right here too. Okay, with the new setup. Alright, real quick, we're gonna jump into everything your boy copped. The vintage New York Mets tee, 2004, Sex Pistols, Virginia crew neck, Solvang California tee, little NASA tee, little tie-dye. I'm gonna put a Nike logo right here. Loyola Marymount crew neck, Guns N' Roses, front and back print, long sleeve, fire, 2002. Hershey's crew neck, Robot, Alcatel, a vintage like race car tee, just says Track Auto. Frank the Tank, Will Ferrell, 2004. Vintage Mickey crew neck, size small. And then another vintage software tee. And then this Marcelo Burlon, if you know the brand, fire pickup. The Cement 3's, very fire. The True Blue Cement 3's. Then this right here, the Tommy jacket, taxed on 20 bucks, but still had to cop because the 3M is fire. Little Guess laptop case. And then the Chicago Bulls Nutmeg huge jacket, very fire. And then the Vetements Champion shorts, so fire with the slit in the back. It's cool. Don't think your boy didn't cop this. Just forgot to show you guys the little vintage Mickey crew neck. Already picked up though, so shout out to the homie for making a purchase. Yo, what's good? Got a hair on my camera, boy. What's good, guys? As you can see, the background looking right. I got the Laker tee on, just chilling. About to head out to my homie's engagement party. So I'm knocking this out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to Thrift numero 78 or 79. I don't know. Something around there. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know we be finding that fire every week. So make sure to subscribe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. Shout out to the fresh cut though. Your boy cut off the back. Amen to fashion. What is good?